Hi, this is Kristen Reed from Graphic Arts Magazine here at the Print09 show in Chicago. I'm here with Larry Miller from Island Clean Air. Larry, can you tell us a little bit more about these devices and what are they designed for?
These are mobile air filtration systems designed to remove the fumes and dust from any work environment in the printing and graphics industry.
So what are the main applications for these units in the industry?
Well, these units can be used in any environment that has dust or fume issues, but specifically related to the printing graphics industry, they're used in both the digital segment of the industry and the traditional lithographic offset type operations.
What might one use these units for in the digital industry?
The main application in the digital industry is for fumes and odors. Generally, people operate their facilities with pretty clean environments from a dust standpoint, but the units themselves that they're operating produce a lot of fumes and odors that will keep you above allowable exposure limits set out by OSHA. These units will keep you compliant with OSHA regulations if you're running them with the digital printers.
And how about litho and offset environments? How might these units be beneficial?
The main application in the offset industry is the removal of spray powders, which are used to coat the prints so that they don't stick together as they're coming off the discharge end of the press. These spray powders can emanate all over the room, become a real nuisance, so removing those is critical to the clean operation. You'll also find that the blanket wash solutions, which are used to clean the rollers between colors, give off a real bad level of smells and VOCs. These units work very well for removing those as well.
What ventilation or ductwork is required for these units?
The good thing about the dusters is that they don't require any ventilation or ductwork. They are standalone units that recirculate the air within the shop, so you don't have to install any external ducting work to get them operating properly.
And what makes them more effective than other forms of air filtration?
Traditionally, most common forms of air filtration are suspended or hanging from the ceiling. The problem with these devices is that most of what you're trying to remove from your operation is heavier than air and wants to fall to the ground. The good thing about the dusters is that we mount them at the floor so that we are working with the power of gravity to ensure that we're capturing a higher level of the fumes and odors or dust from the operation.
So what are some of the more unique operational features of this unit?
All of the dusters run on standard 110 power, so there's no special power requirements to install the units. They all are on heavy-duty casters that allows you to move them around the shop as you need to. They're very maintenance friendly in that they have indicators that tell you when the carbon filters need to be changed and when the dust filters need to be cleaned. There's very low consumables on the unit, as the carbon filters will last you up to a year and the main dust filters should last anywhere from 3 to 5 years. They are also very user-friendly from an installation standpoint in that the units are truly plug-and-play units. You simply take them out of the carton that they come in, plug the units in, turn them on, and they're cleaning the air for you already.
Well, thank you very much for your time, Larry. This is Kristen Reed from Graphic Arts Magazine.